doctors are using a paper tube. The paper tube is nearly 10 inches long and 1 inch diameter. 10 inches long and 1 inch diameter. You can see this in activity 3. This paper tube, one end is keeping on the chest of the patient and another end are keeping on the ears of the doctors. Then the doctors can hear the heartbeat. So in before days, doctors are using this paper tube. And René Laennec discovered this stethoscope by using bamboo. After that, this René Laennec is prepared stethoscope by using paper tube. Okay. If you see here, some questions are there. Here they are preparing matchstick stethoscope. So you can prepare stethoscope by using matchstick and shut button. That is shut button, above that stick is matchstick. If you keep this matchstick stethoscope on the wrist, you can observe the up and down movements. So here you can count the number of pulse per a minute. See, in this activity, what did you find? You observed that you can see the up and down movements of the matchstick. Next question, when do you think that our pulse rate goes up? This pulse rate generally goes up during exercises. Doing exercise or doing jogging, your pulse rate will increase. What does the pulse rate show? Pulse rate shows that heartbeats. Our heartbeat shows the pulse rate. The pulse rate is equal to the heartbeat. Next, here one table is there. Important table. This is important table. Do you know? See, this pulse rate is varies from person to person and also from newborn children to a well-trained athletes. In newborn children, we can see this pulse rate 100 to 150 times per a minute. In infants, that means 3 to 6 months age of people is having 90 to 120 minutes per a times per a minute. Next, if you observe in infants 6 to 12 months of age, the pulse rate is 80 to 120. The pulse rate is 80 to 120. In children, 70 to 130. In adults, 60 to 100. In a well-trained athletes, 40 to 60. Here, I will explain what are the reasons of different age groups having different